Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm Nidhi and in today's video I'll be demonstrating how to do an easy beginner friendly wing liner tutorial. I hope you guys really find this video helpful. For today's video I'm using the Sugar I Won't You So Double Matte Eyeliner, and this is basically a felt tip liner. Step 1, you need a handheld mirror. Step 2, use your pinky finger and just stabilize it on your cheeks. Step 3, draw short strokes of the eyeliner very close to your lash line, and also start right from the center of your eye, just above your iris. In this way the maximum product is deposited right on the center of your eye where you want your liner to be thick. Never start right from the innermost corners of your eye. Then step 4, just open up your eyes wide. This is my way, okay? So just open up your eyes wide and you see there's a disjunction between your upper waterline and your lower waterline. So that's where your line for the flick of the wing should start. So just take a line straight up and then connect it in a triangular form to the outermost part of your liner. And step 5 is just fill in that small triangle you just created with your liner. That's it. Redip your liner for the second eye and start from the center of your eye again, right above your iris, in short strokes. Do not try to do your liner in one single go. It's gonna be hard, trust me. So just draw a straight curve. A curve is never straight. Okay, so just try and go very close to your lash line, and then again to the outermost corner of your eye. Take a flick right up, and then leaving a point just at the tip, you're supposed to start drawing that triangle line. So just close your eyes, just wink and connect the triangle, then fill the triangle. It's like that simple, okay? So basically this is just a draft of how your wing liner should be. Now I like to do a small baby wing. You can even elongate it if that suits your eye shape more. Next, what I try to do is just equalize the thickness of both the liners on my eyes so that they look even. So what I'm trying to do is just, you know, see which liner is more thicker or which one is more thinner, and then adjust it accordingly. So you are always supposed to use your brush and remove the excess product. Don't again forget to do that. And then again, in small strokes, try to just cover up any disjunctions that are seen, especially on the perimeters. You see those incomplete lines because we did in small strokes, right? So we are just supposed to fill those lines so that it looks complete and a single stroke instead of, you know, small disconnected strokes, because that does not look good at all. And remember to keep your wing liner thin in the innermost areas near your tear duct and thicker as you go out. And especially if you're having hooded eyes, keep the thickness lesser than where your hood starts, otherwise your liner would smudge. Then what I like to do is use some concealer with a flat brush to clean the outer edges of the wing. So again, just stabilize your pinky finger and take the brush up towards your eyebrow and temple in one single stroke. So when you use one single stroke, the line comes very sharp and straight, and then just use your ring finger to melt and blend the concealer into your skin. So in this way the liner is cleaned as well as it looks sharp and neat. So just stabilize your pinky finger and then draw a straight line of the concealer up towards your temple. So in this way, you know, your wings would look even. You can just conceal everything with a concealer. There's nothing that can't be concealed. So that's basically how I do my wing liner. It's that simple. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And also, if you're having hooded eyes, you must try some mascara, because that is gonna just add oomph and volume to your lashes, as well as open up your eyes, so in that way your eyes would look much bigger. Remember to always coat your upper lashes as well as lower lashes. Don't just coat your upper lashes, because that would not bring balance to your eyes. And then I just added a lipstick over here. I had that clip and you guys love lipsticks like me, so I thought of adding this clip as well over here. So basically that's it for my baby wing liner tutorial. I hope you guys really liked it. Let me know if you do, and I will have all the products name and shade names listed in the description. You can check that out, and I'll meet you guys soon in my next video. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.